Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my third lesson of D2, chapter number 10, exercise 10b, that is about application of Pythagoras theorem in real world. In this lesson, I will solve basic level question number 6. As the questions are long, so I've written the questions in short form. Let me read the question from the book. Question says, two vertical buildings of height 30 meters and 37 meters are 16 meters apart. A cable is pulled taut and attached from the top of one building to the top of another building. Find the length of the cable. Okay, so the question is about the two buildings, and the height of one building is 37 meters and height of the other building is 30 meters, and distance between the buildings is 16 meters. And then the next part of the question says a cable is pulled taut from and attached from the top of one building. This is the situation of cable. It is attached from one top of the building to another top. Okay, and we have to find the length of cable. So first of all, let's assume that the length of cable is x. And now if we look at the diagram and situation, we can see that the buildings are 37 meters and 30 meters high. And if we look at this portion of the diagram, this is same for both the buildings. So it means till this point the height of both the buildings will be same, that is 30 meters. Okay, in geometry, if you want to make further constructions and further drawings, you can make it. So I'm drawing a line from this point to this point. Okay, at this point till this point, the height of both the buildings will be same, and which is 30 meters. It means that out of this 37 meters, 30 has been consumed over here. Okay, now the what about this remaining height? That will be 37 minus 30, and it will be 7 meters. I hope the remaining part of this tall building will be 7 meters. And now the second problem is that how to find the base of this triangle. If we can see that this line is parallel to this line, if this base is 16 meters, this will also be 16 meters. Here the problem is only to understand two things, that how to find the height of the triangle and how to find the base of this triangle. Now we can see that due to 7, 16 and x, we have a right angle triangle with us. And now it's time to decide that which base will be hypotenuse, as x is the length in front of 90-degree angle. So we can say that x will be the hypotenuse. So let's move to the solution of the question. Let's write the statements. First, it's really important to support your working with small statements. Okay, length of building 1 or height of building 1, height of building 1, IGHT of building 1 is suppose that is 37 meters, and height of building 2, height of second building, height of second building of second building equals to 30 meters, and distance between the buildings, distance between two buildings which is equal to x meters. Okay, let me underline important informations. This is 37, this is 30, and this is x. Now this is 16 meters. Distance between the buildings is 16 meters, and length of cable, which is the requirement of question, length of cable equals to x meters. Now what we have to do, in order to find value of x, we can take the triangle, let it be A, B, and C. This can be D, and this can be E. Okay, now if we are taking the triangle AB and C, AB and C, A, B, I'm going slow so that the questions can become easy for my students. This is 7, this is 16, and this is x. Now we have to apply Pythagoras theorem. Okay, and Pythagorean equation will take the form x square equals to 7 square plus 16 square. 7 square is 49 and 16 square is 256. Okay, now add up 256 plus 49, and this will give me 305, which is equal to x square. Now in order to find value of x, I have to take the square root on both sides. So x will be equal to 305 square root. And let me check what is the square root of 305. That is 17.46. So x equals to 17.46. Okay, now x, the requirement of question, which is the length of cable. So the length of cable is equals to 17.46 meters. I hope you're clear about this question, and let me quickly move to the next question. Let's go to the next question. Okay, and the question 7 says that Devi folded a sheet of paper into an envelope as shown in the figure. In the figure, AED equals to ADB equals to 90 degree, means that these two angles are of 90 degree. To seal the envelope, she has to apply the glue along AD. To seal this envelope, she has to put the glue along AD and DB, given further that AE equals to AED, and this is 8 centimeter given in the question. 8 centimeter, let me write the measurement here, 8 centimeter, and this is 8 centimeter. Okay, and DC equals to BC, and which is 14 centimeter. Okay, find the total length of the sides along which the glue has to be applied to seal the envelope. Okay, the question is about the envelope, and here Devi has to put the glue along AD and DB, and we have to find the total length of the sides where she has to put the glue. Now in order to find the total length, we can see that she has to put the glue along AD and she has to put the glue along DB. Now it means that in order to find that answer, we have to first calculate AD length and DB length. Now the second problem is that we have to decide how to find AD length. If we look at triangle AED, it's a right angle triangle with two sides which are equal, because this is an isosceles triangle. So first of all, I have to find AD length, and same for DB. We can see that BCD again is an right isosceles triangle, and we have to apply Pythagoras theorem here to find DB length, and then finally we have to add up these two values. Let's move to the solution of the question. Okay, in triangle AED, AE and D, AD square will be equal to 8 square plus 8 square, that is 64 plus 64, which is equal to 128. And now I have to take the square root of 128 with the help of calculator. 128 square root is 11.31. AD equals to 11.31. 3.1. So let me mark this answer and block this answer for the further calculation. AD equals to 11.31 centimeter. And now let's move to the second unknown of the question, that is DB. For that we have to take the triangle. In triangle BCD, B, C and D, again BD is the hypotenuse because that is the face in front of 90 degree. So the Pythagorean equation will take the form BD square equals to 14 square plus 14 square, that is 196 plus 196, okay. And now 196 plus 196 will give me 392. And now in order to find BD, I have to take the square root on both sides. So BD equals to 392 square root, okay. Square root 392 will be equal to BD 19.79, or I can take it approximately 19.8. So BD, which is the other requirement of question, is 19.8. okay, yes, BD is 19.8 centimeter. And now the question was saying find the total length, okay, find the total length of the sides along which she has to apply the glue. So total length will be equal to total length of sides along which the glue has to be applied, along which the glue has to be applied, it equals to 11.31 plus 19.8. okay, let me quickly hold the calculator and add up 11.31 and 19.8, and this will give me 31.1. So this will be 31.1. okay, so the final answer is 31.1 centimeter. I hope you are clear about this lesson. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.